All came through. Sorry. This is your girl, Miss Fab. Welcome back. Welcome back. Here are two lovely models. We're here on set, behind the scenes at Posh Boutique. They have their photo shoot today. Two lovely ladies. We're going to go from left to right. Please introduce yourself and tell us what you're doing here today.
Nicole Tennant. I'm here doing the commercial. Yeah. You ready to rock the million?
Okay. And
I'm Seiko.
Seiko.
Yes, I'm another model for the... Yeah.
Well, you ladies are definitely looking fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Head to toe. Please do a turn for us, please. Yes, 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 yes. Really, really fabulous. Now, you ladies are definitely looking great. I did the makeup, of course. How are you feeling about your makeup, ladies?
I like it.
Oh, my God. Now, when you first went in, I always do this for all my customers, you had no idea of what was going to be the outcome, of course, right? I mean, you did a lot of photo shoots. You're on set. You just don't have an idea. So now you've experienced the world of fab. I mean, tell me, has it expanded your scope of makeup wearing?
Well, I've never seen a smoky eye look. It's good on me, so sure.
Okay, okay. And you with this thing, honey, oh my God. You told me you didn't know. You said, you're using plum, you're using all these colors. I didn't know how it was going to look. So how do you feel about your makeup?
Well, she was using plum color and orange color on my cheek. And I was like, oh my God, how am I going to look like? And then...
Voila! Here it is. Well, definitely you girls look fabulous. Can't give you too much. This is just a sneak peek. Kill your shoot, ladies. Thanks for tuning in. Stay true, stay you, stay fab.